Styling in Pynecone is familiar to those experienced with web development. In addition to deciding where things go and how they stack by using the appropriate components, you can customize your application with CSS. There are minor syntactic differences so that Python can understand your code, or to make the formatting more Pythonic. But otherwise, we are working with the full power of CSS. And hey, remember to like and subscribe if you learned something today. Like CSS, you can apply your styles inline to a tag or component type or as a global style. Looking at my Pynecone introduction example, we can add inline styles by adding color equals red as a keyword argument. This changes the heading to red. We increase the text border radius and it becomes round. The CSS styles are extended by Chakra UI, so we also have access to some pseudo styles like underscore hover. This reference page is linked below. An example from RAPL is where I decided to directly assign green to the info modals button. This way of styling is convenient until you have several components with similar styling. In that case, you can apply inline styles with the style prop using a style dictionary. I use several of these in RAPL to make my main code more legible. I place various style dictionaries in its own Python module, including the global styles. I imported it and assigned it to the app. I didn't use any component type styles in RAPL, but they are very easy to use, just like this example from the Pynecone docs. These styles operate like CSS where the inline override the global styles. Special fonts are also easy to implement. Just add the style sheet in an array to your app as a keyword argument and apply the style. Responsiveness is also simple to implement by adding an array of 5 elements corresponding to the default breakpoints of SN through 2XL. In RAPL, I manually handled responsiveness with this code, but here's some proof that the built-in response works well by adding various lyrics colors. So with these tools, your styling is really limited by your own creativity. Comment below if you have any questions and subscribe for future videos on Pynecone.